morning, everybody out there. It's cold. I'm still in Montana. It's September 27th. I can't believe I'm still in Montana this late. Oh, yeah. Oh, cold morning, good cup of coffee. Oh, it's living the dream. Oh, yeah, it's September 27th here. It's cold. I'm freezing my ass off. So the last couple days, it's been cold. It's been pretty warm, not bad, a little chilly, but yesterday, I got here on this, I'm on the Big Hole River actually right now. I figured that's my big hurrah before I leave Montana. So we wanted to hit that. I originally, first thing, when I got into Montana in May, I hit the Big Hole. So the waters are probably about 4 feet lower right now since May. So hopefully there's some good fishing. I can get some good fishing in before I leave Montana. But yesterday I got here. It was cold and windy. It was all day long. I froze the whole day. So, and for 2 nights it just rained. So all the mountains here are all snow covered because it all snowed for 2 nights. So, but it's cool. Oh, that's so good. So we're going to do some fishing here today. Probably 2 more days. And then we're going to migrate and start heading south and get into warmer weather. And then do some more exploring down in the desert. So, we'll see what happens. We'll catch you on the stream. So, let's try to do a little fishing. It's still cold as hell, man. I'm freezing my ass off here. It's like 45 degrees and it's very windy. You know, 45 I could deal with, but that wind just bites. So let's get down this river. Let's try a little fishing. We're gonna do a little nymph fishing. See what happens. So far, we're just catching a lot of whitefish on a nymph. It is windy and I can't feel my fingers. It's cold. But let's give it a couple more shots. All right, had a little lunch. It's about 1 o'clock. And it didn't warm up that much. It's still windy as hell. And it's cold, it's biting. So, I'm gonna attempt to do this. So, I don't have my waders on. We're gonna go wet wading in this weather. I know I'm not too smart. So that first plunge in this water is gonna be cold. But we're gonna head all the way back out there. Whoa, that's cold. Well, the rest of this river kind of looks shallow, not really fishable, very shallow water, slow moving. We're gonna head back where we were this morning. Astrobia. Oh my God, that was good. So, we fished this a couple hours, got nothing. This morning, I was getting a fish every cast. I don't know, just the way it goes. We'll try a little bit later and tomorrow morning. So, but it warmed up a little bit. Don't have my big jacket on. It's still a little cold, it's still windy, but let me tell you how cold it's been. It's been so cold. All right, so my battery just popped out, went dead. Battery life on this new GoPro sucks, but what am I gonna do? So anyway, I was just saying, it's been so cold. I haven't had a beer in 2 days because it was just too cold to drink a beer. It's hard to believe that, right? But anyway, yeah, we're gonna stay here for another maybe 2 days. So it's supposed to warm up again tomorrow, I think. Not sure. And we're just gonna fish this while we can. We'll do this for another day or so, and that's gonna be it for Montana. And then we're gonna be leaving and starting to get down south and gets a little warmer temperature. But I want to catch some trout. And supposedly there's grayling in here. Man, that would be on my bucket list if I can catch a grayling. But we're going to fish this maybe another day here at this area. Then there's another area a little further down that's known for better fishing and for the grayling. So we're going to hit that on the way out. So anyway, we're probably going to tie up a few flies right now. And then we're going to do a little fishing later on. And we'll see if we can catch something. The sun's going down. It's starting to get chilly again, but we're going to do a little bit more fishing before that sun goes down and see if we can get anything. I got skunked. Nothing. This morning it was crazy, one after the other. Now nothing. I got tangled up. My fingers are numb. Temperature's dropping, heading back. So that's it for today. Good morning, everybody. Ooh. What a beautiful morning here in Montana. Except it's freezing cold. God damn it, it's cold out here this morning. Oof. I got frost everywhere. My water is frozen. I couldn't even make coffee. Try to pour my water. I couldn't. It was so solid out of my container, my water bottle. I couldn't even break it up. It was so thick. Man, it was cold. I got my coffee here. Oh, this is going to taste so good. Oh, God. That was good. Oh, that's good stuff. Whew. I'm frozen. My feet are frozen. Oh, we're about it. It's time to start migrating south. We're going to just do a little bit of fishing and then pack up, I think, and head out. It's cold. That sun's coming up. It's starting to feel good. So we'll see what happens here. But man, it is just stunningly beautiful here. I got snow-packed mountains all over the place in the background. It is just beautiful. But we'll see if we can catch some fish here. It'd be nice to catch a trout or a grayling before I leave Montana. It would be pretty awesome. But we'll see. Let's see if we can catch something on this cold, cold morning. I got skunked over there. Yesterday morning it was crazy how many fish I was catching. Not this morning, but yeah, it is a lot colder this morning. Maybe that cold spell kind of threw it off a little bit, but I see some fish rising, which is always a good sign. I also noticed even though we had a lot of frost, I still see hoppers, grasshoppers. So I think I'm going to try some grasshoppers a little later, some stuff on the surface, and see what I get. But right now I'm going to do a little breakfast. Let it warm up a little bit, and this time I'm going to get my waders on. I think I'm going to do some pastrami, Swiss cheese, and eggs. Scramble that up. Oh baby, that's good. It's 12 o'clock. It's noontime. It is warming up a little bit. Still chilly. Got my 4-weight rod. We got a grasshopper on. I see still a few around, so I could get lucky with that. We're gonna give that a shot. Let's see what happens. Fish is not looking good today. Kind of pretty windy out. Got nothing today. We're gonna try one more little spot over here, see what happens. Hey everybody. So we've been here a couple days. Froze my ass off. Even this morning, every day was just white from frost and my water bottles were frozen. It was cold and then warmed up. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, so we're gonna pack up. We're gonna leave this spot here. Oh, but it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's hard to move from here. But, and I got snow-capped mountains in the background here. It's just awesome. But it's time to start migrating. We're gonna maybe fish a little bit more on the way down on Route 15 here. Just by the border. I think there's some fish in there. We're gonna camp on a lake where there's a Cocky Reservoir, I think it's called. It's supposed to be a lot of dispersed camping there. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna follow this river down. Maybe we'll stop at a fishing access spot, see if we can get anything. But I don't know. But we're gonna pack up now and we'll catch a little bit down the road on the river, hopefully. Hey everybody, so we found another campsite. It's an awesome campsite here. We're still in Montana, so we're right on Clark, I think it's Clark Canyon Reservoir. So this is it right here. Check it out. This whole reservoir back here. We're camping right here. Got beautiful views, but this campsite is pretty awesome. I got everything here. I got an outhouse, I got garbage, I got water, I even got a little pavilion here over a picnic table. And it's 14 days free. Can't beat it. So it's cold here. It's windy, it's chilly. So I'm gonna do one more day. Well, probably tomorrow morning we're gonna pack up. I got the Beaver Head River down here. I think I'm gonna fish that a little bit in the morning, and then we're gonna head out of Montana. And that'll be it for a while. But hopefully I can catch at least one good trout before I leave Montana. We'll see what happens. Hey everybody! So we just officially left Montana. I'm sad and I'm happy. The campsite we were just at was beautiful. Had everything there. I woke up this morning and it was cold. I was freezing. I don't know why. It really wasn't that cold. It was in the 30s. There was no frost. There was no water, no ice on my water. So it wasn't bad. But man, it just felt so cold. I don't know if it was because it was just such an open area. You got wind and I don't know, humidity from the lake. And it just felt cold. But a couple days ago when I was on the big hole, it was 24 degrees. It was cold, but it didn't feel that bad. I even got out and did some fishing. So, but my plan was I was going to get up early, do some fishing, get my last bit of fishing in before I head out of Montana. But it was so cold, I just lost all the fishing to go fishing. Hell no. So, we just packed everything up. We're on the road. We're officially in Idaho right now. Heading to Idaho City. Heading south. Try to get into some warmer weather. But it feels good to be back on the road to explore. But it was so cool. I spent 4 months fly fishing Montana. Talk about living the dream. It was awesome. So, we got a campsite that's a BLM land. A little past Idaho City. We're gonna camp there. That's about another 2-3 hour ride. We're gonna stop in Idaho City to do some shopping, hit the fly shop real quick. Gotta kind of get up some flight time material to keep me busy in the desert this season. So I'll be prepared for next season. So let's get a little further down and get into some warmer weather. Hey everybody. We're out of Montana. What a bummer. It was getting cold. I'm in Idaho right now. Got my new campsite here. It's pretty cool. I like it. See all the leaves are turning. But right now it feels like it's 85 degrees. This morning I was freezing. But right now I need a beer. Irish Death. This is really good stuff. Dark smooth ale. Yeah. There we go. Oh man, that's tasting good. So, like I said, we were out of Montana. It's a couple first today. It's getting cold there, so I had to leave there. So it's a little warm during the day, but even though it says it's warm, it's really not. So we were on the Beaverhead River, real close to there. We were going to fish that, but I woke up this morning, I was freezing. It was kind of weird because it was only in the 30s. It wasn't that bad. My water wasn't frozen. There was no frost. But man, I was cold. My hands were cold. I felt colder than it was when I was on Big Hole when it was 24 degrees. There, it didn't bother me that much, and I still got in some fishing. But I said, talked to some people there too. They said the fishing wasn't so great. Said the cold spell or something just kind of threw the fishing off. So I didn't even bother. I just got packed up. Couldn't wait to get the heat on in the car and get traveling. So we stopped in Idaho City, did our shopping, went to the fly store, spent too much money, but I got stuff up, so he'll keep me busy this summer. Time flies up, getting ready for next season. So I'm really bummed though. Let me tell you how bummed I am getting out of Montana. But I spent 4 months there fly fishing. Boy, life is rough, ain't it? I guess somebody has to do it. We fished a lot of streams, a lot of rivers. We were up and down Montana. We fished so many little streams. It was pretty cool. Can't wait to next year. So this is the start of the new journey. We're out of Montana, fishing season's done. We're just going to explore and see what happens. I'm thinking, if anybody has any suggestions, put it down. I'm thinking about heading maybe to New Mexico and do some fishing there in the mountains there. See what happens there. If anybody got any suggestions, let me know. That'd be cool. So that's it for the vlog for today. So we go, then there's a lot of fishing I did that I didn't bring the camera because I just wanted to enjoy the day just fishing without having to worry about the camera and stuff. So there was one day, me and my buddy Alan, we did a float trip. He treated me to a float trip. Awesome guy. So we floated the Clark Fort River, and we got a lot of fish, but we got pictures of the fish. So let me put the pictures here, some of the fish that we caught. You can see that. And don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll, never stop walking. So I'm John, I'm 65, I'm over the hill. Actually, we'll be 66 this month. Man, where'd that happen? So we'll catch you guys later. Don't forget, if you're new, I live out of my Jeep full time, exploring, fly fishing, having a blast. So we'll catch you guys down the road. Adios.